Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Today I will be cooking up some taco meat and layering it in between some tortilla chips, along with some cheese and salsa, to create a delicious party of flavor cleverly named the Taco Tortilla Bowl. The main ingredients you're going to need will be 1 pound of ground beef, which should feed between 2 and 4 people depending on the size of your appetite. You'll also need a bag of tortilla chips, 1 cup of water, a little bit of oil to cook with, and most importantly, you need the cayenne pepper spice. This is what gives it that taco flavor. You can also use other spices like chili powder or red pepper flakes, and of course the old standard salt and pepper. Other optional ingredients would include anything you might ordinarily put on your taco. For example, I'll be using salsa, sour cream, cheese, and hot sauce. We're gonna start off by heating up some cooking oil in the pan, and this will of course help prevent the meat from sticking as we cook it. The heat doesn't have to be too high. Low-medium should do the trick. Once the pan starts to warm up, we can go ahead and put the beef in and start to break it apart with a spoon. We'll let the beef cook for a little while until it gets to be a light brown color, at which point we'll go ahead and take our cup of water and pour it right into the pan. Now this is where the fun begins, because this is where you're going to start adding your spices into the mix. And as I mentioned before, our most important spice is the cayenne. And of course, the more you add, the more spicy your meat will turn out. I'm going to also add just a little bit of cumin, a little bit more chili powder, and my special secret ingredient, red pepper flakes. In addition to the spices, I also like to put some salsa in there. And some sriracha or hot sauce also helps to add extra flavor. And of course, a little bit of the old classic salt and pepper doesn't hurt either. Okay, now we can go ahead and stir those ingredients together in the pan, and then increase the heat of the fire just a little bit. While we're letting our pan heat up, we can go ahead and start off our bowl with the first layer of tortilla chips. Now, technically, you don't have to layer your chips and your meat, but I feel that it gives you a better distribution of ingredients. So I like to start off with a nice base layer of 3 or 4 chips. And on top of that, I'll add a little bit of salsa and sprinkle on some cheese. And of course, you can add whatever toppings that you like here. Let's go ahead and check back on the meat and see how it's coming along. Well, it's looking pretty good. The meat is cooking and the water is evaporating from the pan. We'll just go ahead and stir the meat up a little bit while we wait for all of the water to cook away.
We start with the beef, then we add some spice. We cook it in the pan and we mix it up nice. Then we add the chips and some cheese, alright. And that's what you're having for dinner tonight. We start with the beef, then we add some spice. We cook it in the pan and we mix it up nice. Then we add the chips and some cheese, alright. And that's what you're having for dinner tonight.
Okay, now that the meat is ready, we can go ahead and start to scoop it into our bowl. As previously mentioned, I like to do this part in layers. After I scoop some meat on top, I'll add some salsa, cheese, and sour cream. Then I'll add another layer of tortilla chips and repeat this process until the bowl is filled. When it's all filled up with deliciousness, our taco tortilla bowl is complete and ready to eat. Enjoy! Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. If you make your own taco tortilla bowl, let me know how it turns out in the comments. And if you liked this video, please go ahead and hit the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more content.